are many rock garden designed by 87-year-old husband Benji Barrera of Olongapo City. Look at the stones. How many stones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The tallest is 10. And the shortest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7. Ang ganda na. So, you have to find the center of gravity in order to avoid the stones from falling down. Galing. Galing talaga ng mister ko. Believe ako.